loves, it's Keicie right here. Welcome back to my channel. All right, so today we're gonna talk about the Allure beauty box. But first, let's talk about this gloss that I'm wearing. Oh my God, Bretman, you do rock. This gloss is super cute. Look at my lips. And also his lip liner. I don't know where I put it. Give me a second, let me reach over. Here's the whole little cutie patootie packaging, and I talked about it in one of my unboxing videos. And here's the lip liner that I have all over my lip. Isn't that cute? Does it tweeze? No, I think it's like a pencil. It's super cute, Britman. Look at this freaking lip gloss. I love it. And then it smells like caramel cake on Thanksgiving. I love this gloss, Britman. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, back to the unboxing. Allure beauty box. This box for me was only $10 for your first box. Maybe $21. Regular price. So let's go over and look because we're learning together. Okay, Allure's monthly beauty box offers top trending editors tested makeup and beauty picks with a $50 to $90 value for only $15. So the beauty box is only $15 a month, but it's your first time. They'll cut you a deal of $10. I believe I paid $10 for this beauty box. Oh, it smells so medicine-y. I hope I got some beauty skincare products in there. Okay, let's read some more of the description. Full and deluxe products selected by Allure's experts. We test more than 50,000 products a year. Wow. A mini bag with tips, shortcuts, and step-by-steps. And a new member's gift, a bonus gift valued at $10 plus, and it was free shipping. So this is all you get. The September Allure box is the beauty box is worth $85 for just $10 this month. Ooh, well, let me not scroll down. It's telling me what I got in there. So let's bust this bad baby up and see what we got in our Allure beauty box. Boom. Oh, what? All right, let's open her up. Let's open her up. Ooh, cute. They gave you a booklet. Ooh, I love girls with freckles. And it's telling you about all the products that they got in here. Ooh, look at that tissue paper. Pull it back, pull it back. Okay, so I see a lot of deluxe products, a lot of samples. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is La Roche-Posay. And it's eczema pore skin. I guess it's some eczema cream. I got some smoothing relief cream for those girls with eczema. Well, I don't have eczema, but my daughter does. So this is a good little, nice, small, fun time. Fun size eczema cream. That's crazy to be in a beauty box, but I guess. Eczema cream. Boop. And our next item is a flower bomb. Oh, it's some perfume. I don't know who it's by. Victor Roof. I'm sorry. Yeah, Ralph. It's Ralph or Roof. Victor Ralph. Very cute. Sample product for only $10. Ooh, that's cute. Let's see what it smells like. Oops. Well, I guess it does come off like that. Just gonna rub a little in. Ooh. Ooh, it smells really good. Ooh, it smells delish. Ooh, it smells so pretty and a very light hit of flowery, rosy smell. To me, ooh, it smells really nice. So let's read up on this little perfume. Okay. Oh, they only gave us one, but they're talking about both. of it. Oh, that's not even it. Oh, so I guess this perfume was the free gift because they don't talk about it. They're not really talking about it in this booklet. I don't see anything about it. So I guess it was a free gift. Thank you so much. Good. I'm not really into wearing like strong perfumes like these. I usually go to Bath and Body Works and I like those smells in there. But it's great to, you know, branch out and try new perfumes. I really don't like really strong scent. It gives me headaches. But this one smells very good and it's very light. It's like that it's like going to church and the older lady have this on and you just love the way she smells. The older sophisticated lady, Sister Mary Clarence, and she smells like this. It smells good. Okay, the next thing is Allure. Welcome to Skin Wellness, a brightening facial scrub. Sea, kale, and French green clay, all skin types. So they give you some a skin brightener, and that's very good to have, especially if you have those dark spots in your face from busting pimples or having acne or just having eczema and you scratch a lot like my daughter does. So I can see where that can come in at that eczema cream then. And they give you 1 fluid ounces of it. And you guys, skincare is very important. So please, please, please wash your face before you put the makeup on. You will not regret it. Oh God, I can never get anything opened. Oh, right, that happened. So it's black. It's a black. Ooh. Oh, it puts me in the mind of toothpaste, like Sensodyne. That's what it smells like, but it's some black paste. I wonder how that's gonna look on the face. Brightening scrub. Whoop. Okay, next we have a dewy stick. It's a brightening balm and glow. Glide this balm onto cheekbones, brow bones, cupid bows, and anywhere light.
I have been fighting with that same fly for 3 days, and it just won't go away.
Swipe finger over product and pat or roll over skin. Ooh, so it's a highlight stick. Let's bust this bad baby. I don't really do the highlight sticks. Does it have something at the bottom? No. So this is the highlight stick. So let's watch. Okay. It is a balm. It does feel lip glossy. Do you guys see that? I guess not. It has a little sheer shine. I guess it only sheer shines in the light. When the light glistens, it. Ooh, it looks like a big lipstick, big glam. You guys like that? I don't too much like it. I don't know if I will use it. But it's really cute. Dewy stick. To give you a nice product. How much is it? Let's see. How much? Ooh, they give you a lot. Ooh, that is a lot, you guys. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Okay, next we have the NARS. I think this is a lipstick. Yep, it's a matted lip pencil. A NARS matted lip pencil. In the shade Dulce Vita. Dulce Vita. I think I'm pronouncing it right. You guys, I butcher a lot of words. Because I was a very quiet girl. And I didn't usually talk a lot. Oh, okay. I received something like this in an Ipsy bag. And I really like it. And it had the BAM at the bottom of it. Okay, this is cute. Let's watch. Yeah, I like that. Get a little purple velvety color. And it glides on. It's creamy lip liner. really pretty. I like NARS products. And last but surely not least, they give you shampoo and conditioner, a perfect smooth duo. So they give you 1 fluid ounces of each product. I'm recording, baby. Can you wait there for a second, okay? Okay, so it's a color protection, sulfur and paraben free. So it's sulfur and paraben free, and it's a color conditioning. As you guys see, I do put color in my hair. My hair is blonde. My light is not the best, Mama, but this will probably come in flawless hair. Okay. Advanced Inner Hair Comb with the Luxe Oil Enriched Smoothing Conditioner. So this is the conditioner, and this is the shampoo. Let's give them a whiff, because you guys know I love smelling shit. Okay, smells pretty good. Shampoo-y. It smells shampoo and conditioning. It's not fruity. I love fruity smelling shampoo and conditioners. I don't know why, I just love them. I love my hair smelling like roses, orange, strawberries, all types of that sweet, sensitive shit. I love it on my hair. Okay? Okay. All right, so you get perfect smooth conditioner, color protection, and sulfur and paraben free. 1 fluid ounces product, good for maybe 2 or 3 uses. And it gave me a special gift. Where's that perfume, you guys? Let's use it. Well, they give you a perfume bottle from Victor Ralph Flower Bomb. And it smells super, super cute. Super, super cute. Girl, what the fuck smells cute? It looks really pretty. It's coming in a very pretty container, and I will be using it. It may become my signature smell. You never know. And what else did I get? And I got some brightening scrub. Ooh. Drop it in the bag. And some eczema cream. I think that's very weird of them to put some eczema relief cream in my beauty bag. That's crazy. Oatmeal skin protection, smoothing relief cream, dermatologist approved. That's crazy, right? Why would they put this in here? I guess. Anyhow, we have the NARS Velvet Color Pencil. Well, it's a lip pencil. And it's from NARS. It's a nice size product. You know, it was nice. It was nice. Well, I really didn't fancy this box too much this month. I didn't really like it. The only thing that I really liked about it is the special gift, which is the perfume. I really like that perfume. It smells so good. I may be ordering the full-size bottle of it. It may just become my signature look. But everything else was kind of... you could have done better. Yeah, the brightening acute cream, I may use that. But other than that, this box kind of sucked ass. I don't know. It's only $15 a month, and this one was only $10. I don't know if I should keep receiving this. I didn't too much like it. Tell me guys what you think about it down in the comments below. I want to hear what you guys got to say. Because I thought it was a You might think it's a but let me know, ghosts. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and ring my bell. You can ring my bell. Ring my bell. Come on. Ring a ring a ring. See you guys later. Bye.